Right, if your phone keyboard feels a bit small and fiddly to type on, this one's for you. Here's how to make your keyboard bigger on Android, and it's just one quick Gboard setting. Watch, we take it from cramped and tiny up to nice and big, so the keys are easier to see. Bigger keys mean fewer typos, a lot less squinting, and you can change it back anytime you like. Let me show you how. First, bring up your keyboard in any app, a message, a note, wherever you like. See the little gear at the corner of the keyboard, give that a tap. If there's no gear showing, just press and hold the comma key instead. It opens the very same place. That drops you into Gboard's settings. Tap Preferences near the top, and the one you're after is this row here. The one that says keyboard height. Here we are, keyboard height. This is the main fix. So this is the bit that matters. You get a list all the way from extra short up to extra tall. Go ahead and tap tall. And look at that, the keyboard grows straight away. Bigger keys, more room, far less catching the wrong letter. Want them bigger again? Try extra tall. Have a go and pick whatever feels comfy for your eyes. There's honestly no wrong answer here. Now, two quick things just in case your keyboard ends up looking a bit odd after. If it's shrunk over to one side like this, that's one-handed mode, switched on by accident. Beside it, you'll spot a small panel with an arrows icon. Tap those arrows and there you go. It stretches straight back out to full width. Nothing was broken, it was only tucked over to one side. And the other one, if your keyboard's floating in the middle of the screen instead, that's floating mode. Look for the little handle along the bottom of it and give that a tap. Down it comes, docked right back to the bottom where it belongs. Same keyboard, just back in its place. And that's you sorted. Keyboard height, then tall or extra tall. Your typing's a good bit easier. Remember, it's fully reversible, so change it anytime and it doesn't touch anything else on your phone.